Nadolig Llawyn on there, I thought I'd pick a poem by the inimitable Harry Webb. Local boy makes good. When Christ was born on Dowlais top, the ironworks were all on stop. The money wasn't coming in, but there was no room at the Half Moon Inn. The shepherds came from Twynewine, and 3 kings by the Merthyr and Brecon line. The star shone over the beacon's ridge, and the angels sang by Rumney Bridge. When Christ turned water into stout, a lot of people were most put out, and wrote cross letters to the paper, protesting at such a wicked caper. When Christ fed the unemployed, the authorities were most annoyed. "He hasn't gone through the proper channels," said the public men on boards and panels. When Christ walked upon Swansea Bay, the people looked the other way and murmured, "This is not at all the sort of thing that suits Porthcawl." When Christ preached the sermon on Kilveel, he'd have dropped dead if looks could kill, and as they listened to the beatitudes, they sniffed with scorn and muttered platitudes. When Christ was hanged in Cardiff jail, "Good riddance," said the Western Mail, but Darrow weren't all their faces red when he came to judge the quick and the dead. Nadolig Llawyn on there.